From Divine Sister of the Light, Aurora Ray. How to connect with the Galactic Federation. Many people believe that the Galactic Federation is a made-up thing. Some are so confused to even claim it's negative, but it is not. The Galactic Federation is a group of highly evolved souls who have been around since the beginning of time. They are here to help you fulfill your purpose on Earth. The Galactic Federation is made of love, light, and peace. It is a collective of beings who have reached the highest level of consciousness possible. The Galactic Federation was created as an extension of each individual soul to help them on their journey towards self-realization. They exist to help us live in harmony with one another as well as with our environment and the rest of creation. There are so many people who have awakened to their true spiritual potential and desire to live in harmony with others instead of fighting over power and control issues, which have led to wars throughout history, but now, with more advanced technology than ever before, we can overcome these issues once and for all. The Galactic Federation has many tools at its disposal to help us in our lives so we can get rid of our problems easily. They have given us certain crystals which can help us do this exercise and make it even more effective. And they have given us healing technologies such as the Ascension supplement, which is basically liquid light in a bottle that we simply drink up and let it do its miracles in the form of healing, DNA upgrades, and repair. They also have different technologies which they use on a daily basis in order to help us get rid of our problems easily by sending energy waves or just by being present in our lives constantly with love and compassion for us as well. Connecting with the Galactic Federation is a simple phenomenon. It's like when you're in meditation or when you are in an inner quiet space and you start connecting with who you really are. This is what it feels like to connect with the Galactic Federation. It's so peaceful and amazing. When you connect with them, you can feel loved and light, as well as unconditional affection. You get to know yourself in a way that you never knew before. You become more aware of what actually matters to you in life, because now all your focus has shifted towards serving others rather than yourself. The universe has been waiting for this moment from you for a long time. We have been created by God on purpose so that we can lead others towards Him or herself through doing good deeds and spreading love everywhere we go. Connecting with the Galactic Federation is similar to connecting with one's own center. Just be a witness to the silence, of the peace, of the deep contentment, of the immense sky that opens up from your center. This is the time to ask yourself, what do I want? Who am I? Where am I going? How am I going to get there? What am I going to do differently? The answers will come as if they were answering themselves. They are already within you. They are already present in every cell of your body and mind. They are also present in every other living creature on this planet or elsewhere in the universe. They are everywhere. You don't need to hit your head against a brick wall in order to find them. All you need is to listen carefully and patiently. What is the center or core of your awareness? It's that which has always been aware of itself, which is the essence of your being. It's a window to the essence and beyond. It's where the light comes in, and it's where you go out again when you leave. It's where all life begins and ends because it's the seed of everything that exists in this universe. It's not outside of yourself, it is within you. You are the center of your own consciousness, and as such, you are capable of perceiving your entire existence at any given moment in time, past, present, or future, through this center. The universe is a big place, and it's a safe bet that there are other forms of life out there as well. The only thing we have to do is be open to the possibility that they exist. Once you embrace that possibility, all sorts of discoveries await you. If you want to connect with the Galactic Federation, you have to learn how to live in harmony with your essence. Your essence is the heart of all that is, and it's what connects you to Source, your higher self, and the Galactic Federation. The connection between the Galactic Federation and us is how we keep ourselves aligned with our true nature. It's how we stay connected to our soul purpose and purpose as a whole. It's how we stay aligned with who we truly are at our core. We love you dearly. We are here with you. We are your family of light. We are the Galactic Federation. Aho, Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation, from thegalacticfederation.com.